Okay, remember we did the rule of thumb, right? That was where the other two little ones, remember I said they were too small for my standards of picking. Okay, and there's some up there on the other side of that fence. So there's 2 or 3. You kind of follow this little thing. This is where the water runs off when it rains. There's one. So let's kind of look around a little bit, see if we can see another one. Just to kind of give you some helpful observation. See, there's another one right there. So let's kind of look around so we can find another one. And lo and behold, see it over there? Barely coming up in the leaves. So these are still just now sprouting. So we're early. Okay? And these aren't going to be large enough for me to harvest. So I'm going to have to wait. So we'll just keep continuously walking around so we can see the larger ones. They're probably going to be up there. Because remember, it's going to be warmer up there than it is down in the bowl. See what I'm saying? Because there's sunshine right there, so there might be some over there. We got to remember we're looking for shade, temperature, moisture, and a certain temperature. And heat rises, so it should be hotter up there, but the sun's exposed through here. You see where I'm getting at? So we're just gonna have to use our brain a little bit, but you know, just natural sensibility. But if it's raining, it's probably running off down through here. That's where the spores are deposited. And as you can tell, there's 1, 2, 3. So there'd probably be some more down through here, over that way. But it's real moist. Like I said, I just put my hand down and it's wet. It ain't rained in a couple of days, but we did have several days of good rain, and that's what you need. And the temperature right now is about 60, 65. So they're ready, but they're just too small for us to harvest. I want them when they're a little bit bigger than that. You know, like I said, I'm looking for the size of my fist. Okay? And if they don't do that, then we're just going to have to wait. But this is a good spot, so let's continue on and survey the area a little bit more. And we're just going to have to wait a while. If I get some bigger ones like the ones I just showed you, you know, that are already fallen over, and you notice they all have that hole. They keep having that hole in it. This one didn't have it. Maybe that's why it's got an orange spot. But yeah, this is my gleaning bag, and it will hold about 1.5 pounds of shroom. So this is a typical, standard, traditional, old school hillbilly gleaning bag. Originally they were made out of cloth or some sort. A sporting bag is what we call it. And so we're gonna walk around through here and survey the area for some more shrooms. So stay tuned for that.